welcome back to a really quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the time in your Mini. So we're going to hold down this button here until we see this 12H. If you click it you can get to 24 hours, 12 hours, I like 12 so I'm going to leave it there. Then we're going to click through to the actual time that it is. So it's currently 12:30 in the afternoon, 12, we're going to leave it. Then we're going to click this through. Leave it. And that's the time set. I hope you learned something new in this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know below in the comments. If you're new around here, please hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next